hot riveters. We have two standard pairs of riveters. One's more compact than the other, which some people think is a bigger advantage probably for fitting in the apron and that. But the one advantage of having a longer handle is more leverage. So if you're putting in larger rivets, these riveters probably wouldn't put in a 5mm rivet very comfortably at all. In fact, maybe not even be able to. These would definitely put in a 5mm rivet, a lot bigger. Yeah, so it's pretty much by choice and by hand comfort. So some people have a bigger hand span. So these are available here at Riveters, made in Germany, high quality riveters. But then we can move on to mechanical riveters. So doing a lot of riveting, no wrist action, just a that's so easy. So easy. Just quite like that. Back to riveting, there's something quite new that I've never seen before. I've been privileged to see it today. We have a different type of rivet. So it has a little cutting tip on the rivet. And then there it comes with a drill attachment. So very new, something to get maybe possibly to use and get used to. And then just bring it up. This could be very useful and can probably evolve from this too. For Riveters coming up, finding new things, new toys.